Say, good morning, Uncle Craig. Can you say good morning? Say good morning. Say, we hope you pass PhD so you don't go live in the jungle. Don't press the button and it'll stop. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Good job. That was so good, Bubba. And you say hi? What else? All right. What else you gotta say? Can you say hi again? Hi. Yeah. What else? Okay.